Okay, I will talk about the dispersion relations in the cold magnetized plasma. Cold, I mean the V doesn't have zeros order, it only has first order. B has zeros order. It's a magnetized. So I have the full derivations on the videos. If you're curious, you can look on the descriptions. Really lengthy, yeah, boring. So basically, we're using those three different equations to arrive to the final answer. So the first is the equation of motion. We take the first, we linearize and then take the first order. We will have like three equations effectively, and we decouple it and solve for V. So basically, we wound up having a V in terms of V expressed in terms of E. And then using Ohm's law, we know that the J equals sigma E is a microscopic Ohm's law, and we know that the current density can be expressed in this way, N naught QS V1S. So we use this, and then the sigma will become a vector. Will become a matrix, and the matrix will be a function of omega. We have this two Maxwell's equation. We're using some vector identities, some tricks, to basically solve for the system equations in such form. So dE equals 0. D can be expressed in this way. So k here is not a scalar. It is a vector. It's not an inner product. It's a product. And the I stands for the identity matrix. So with this, and the sigma is a conductivity. So with the definition of such, like the plasma frequency, cyclotron frequency, and epsilon 1, epsilon 2, epsilon 3, and n, of course, is index of refraction, and we take the determinant of d equal to 0 in order to get a non-trivial solution of this equation, because E equal to 0 will be a trivial solution, but for non-trivial solution it requires the determinant of D equal to 0 based on the linear algebra. And we solve this equation, this equation, so we wound up having this nice, neat, and symmetrical expression. Theta squared times theta squared equals to 1 over n squared minus 1 over epsilon r, 1 over n squared minus 1 over epsilon l, 1 over n squared minus 1 over epsilon 3, 1 over n squared minus a half, 1 over r plus 1 over r l. So this expression is in the circumstance of the theta. The theta is basically the angle between k and b naught. For this expression specifically, where we're taking the kx equals 0, basically to set all of the perpendicular component of with respect to b naught on the y direction, and y, and then based on the trigonometry we know that ky equals to k sine theta, k is equal to k cosine theta, and then it appears here and here. So as we can see, this off diagonal term here is because it's contributed by the Lamar radius, by the gyro motion. which you can see the detailed derivation of the video that I made.